What is the lowest my credit score can be to buy a home? So technically for FHA is 580. For conventional, it's 620. But the lower your credit score is, the more expensive that loan is going to be. It's kind of like Uber surge pricing, but for mortgages. Other than my down payment, what else do I have to pay at closing? That is a great question. So you've got lender fees, you've got closing costs, you've got title fees, appraisal, plus something called prepaids, taxes, insurance. Your lender will just call them total closing costs and prepaids. Now, do you have to pay all these things? Short answer, no. You can negotiate with the seller to get those covered, or you can structure your loan in a way where that covers the prepaids and closing costs. But if neither of those things are an option, yes, you're gonna have to pay all those things at closing. Where can I get a rate quote? I'd go to citycreekmortgage.com. You can plug your information and get an instant rate quote. It takes like 30 seconds. It's super transparent. It's awesome. No phone call, no credit score, no awkward flirting with a salesperson. What is better, a conventional loan or an FHA loan? FHA loans are typically friendlier to people with lower credit or with a lower down payment, and conventional loans have better long-term perks if your credit is solid. So it's not necessarily better, it's better for you, which is why we compare both. Can I make extra payments without penalties? You absolutely can, and you should if you want to pay your loan off faster. The thing that you want to make sure is that those extra payments are going towards the principal of the loan, and you're not just prepaying interest for your future payments. What happens if my house doesn't appraise for what I'm buying it for? Then you have a decision to make. You can either negotiate with the seller, you can make up the difference by bringing more into closing, or you can oftentimes just walk away. That's a great question to ask your real estate agent and your lender to make sure you have a plan in case that happens.